Hello and welcome back to Build and Teach. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to use the map function on a data frame. Now the map function works on series, but you can apply it to a data frame as well by selecting a single column of the data frame and then applying the map to that column. So let's give it a try here. So first I'm going to create a data frame. I'm going to create a data frame of classes and subjects. Here I have my subjects, teachers that teach that subject, and the period where that subject is taught. And what I want to do is I want to add a column to the data frame which will assign AP credits based on the subject that I am taking. So in here I'll create a dictionary that will map the subject to whether the AP credit is true or false. And then what I'll do is I'll call my class. I'll take my data frame and I'll create a new column called AP credit. And then I'll take my data frame and I'll select the subject column and I'll apply the map function using the AP credits dictionary. So let's run this and you'll see what happens. So if I run this, what it basically does is it uses this dictionary as a lookup on the subject column. So it'll look up math and it'll know that math is an AP credit course, so it'll map true to math. It'll look up history, it'll know it's not an AP credit course, it'll map false, and etc. So pretty simple. It's a way to kind of like do a VLOOKUP in Excel, only using a dictionary. Now that was creating a new column. How about updating an existing column? So let's say your teachers for a particular subject have changed for a few of the courses. What you would do is you would create a dictionary of your subjects and their teacher. And you can see here I've updated the science to Mr. Safir and I've updated the Spanish to Mr. Bustamante here. And I basically now go and select the teacher column because I'm now updating the teacher column, and then I select the subject column because the subject column is the lookup column. Notice here it's subject teacher, and I apply the map function using the my teachers dictionary. And if I run this here, you will see that now Mr. Rogers and Miss Gonzalez are the same, but Mr. Safir replaces Mr. Singer and Mr. Bustamante replaces Miss Paola. So pretty simple. So in this tutorial we learned how to use the map function on a column of a dictionary, both to create a new column and to update a column. And as usual, you'll see this code at the end of this video. I'll also save this notebook as HTML, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.